the scientists of the CPU city. Inside every computer is a sparkling, bustling city called the CPU. Information zips through its glowing streets faster than you can blink. The city's chief scientist was a friendly fellow named Task Manager Old. He loved his city and measured its energy with a collection of very peculiar tools. One day, a huge project arrived, a beautiful, complicated video that needed editing. The CPU city roared to life, its lights flashing and its data streams flowing like mighty rivers. But soon, the rivers began to dam up. The city started to lag and stutter. The project was in trouble. The computer's user called for help, and Task Manager Old sprang into action. He grabbed his favorite gauge and pointed it at the giant video editor building. "Aha!" he declared. "The video editor is using 90% of the CPU's Zings." But then he turned to his big, quote, performance screen, which measured the whole city's energy. "Oh my," he puzzled. "This screen says the total energy is only 65% Whirs." The numbers didn't make sense together. It was like measuring a recipe in cups and then in claps. The user was more confused than ever. Suddenly, a sleek, quiet figure entered the control room. He was calm, organized, and carried a simple, elegant tablet. "Pardon the interruption," he said with a reassuring smile. "I am Task Manager New. Perhaps I can offer some clarity." Task Manager Old looked at the newcomer with curiosity. "What are Zings and Whirs?" asked Task Manager New gently. "To solve a problem, we need one standard of measurement. I measure total utilization. It is the same on every page, in every tool." Task Manager New tapped his tablet, showing a list of all the active buildings. "On the processes page," he explained, "we can see the video editor is using exactly 82% of the CPU's total power. No guesswork." He swiped to a new screen. "And on the performance page," he continued, "the graph of the entire city's effort also shows a total utilization of exactly 82%. The numbers match. They are consistent." It was a moment of pure, scientific relief. With this clear, reliable data, they spotted the real problem. It wasn't the whole video editor, but one tiny, greedy plugin hiding inside it. With a single tap, they paused the plugin. The traffic jams in the CPU city vanished instantly. Task Manager Old smiled, filled with admiration. His zings and whirs were fun, but he knew that Task Manager New's consistent scientific approach was the key to keeping the CPU city healthy. Together they made the perfect team, ready to solve any problem with a blend of experience and precision.